put the hairpins right here and managed to do this little updo. Guys, I'm in love with this color. Hey guys, it is the next day and today is hella cold, hence why I'm in this hoodie. So today is going to be the day you guys will see the true color to my hair. Hopefully in this light you will see that. Now I'm going to take my hoodie down. Oh no, it wasn't even recording. As I was saying, oh my gosh, as I was saying, I'm going to use my own essential oil that I created from home, and I put it into this little bottle. So as I said to you, I always pour it into my hands and then I rub it into my hands, and now I'm untwining my plaits.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
My hair looking very vibrant, which I like. Doesn't look dry, doesn't look, you know, like bleached the heck out like in my previous videos, which you see like my bleach hair just dry as F. I really like the hair color, to be honest. I really do. I don't know why in the camera it's showing as like gingery. There is no brassness to my hair. Can you guys see what I'm saying? Yeah, that's it, camera. You're showing it, yeah. This is what it looking like. So it has a brown, like a oh, like a number 8 brown. Actually still showing the orangeness to it. Why? I'm gonna go closer if you guys can see it. Do you see this shade of brown? That's how it is. There's no brassiness to my hair. Like there's no ginger going on. It's literally like this shade of color throughout my hair. So the camera is not really showing the actual color, which is a shame. It's not giving me that vibe. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? I got it, guys. Can you see me smiling? I got it to work. Yay! I love the color of my hair. I don't know how people pick their hair, you know, to get the look, to get the right shape. Honestly, like I don't. This is not my forte.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
I am done now. I've managed to put together some sort of style for you guys. I managed to put the hairpins right here and managed to do this little updo. Guys, I'm in love with this color. I was really upset with the colour that I saw last night. I was like, what the heck is this? Like, what the heck is this, you know? But now seeing it, it's like, whoa, you know, like, whoa, this is crazy. There's no breasts in this, there's nothing like that. I will take a photo of it anyways on my phone so you guys can see, you know, the trueness of this. Yeah, so thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So yeah, bye guys.
Where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unless